Hey guys, Chad Jenkins, SeedSpark CoLAB. Today a bit about the Declaration of Collaboration. And what the heck is that? A long time ago, I began utilizing collaborations somewhere around the age of 8 years old, and I began to see the world ways that you could take two seemingly abstract things, combine them together, and create something new and unique, and turn that into money, ultimately. So I continue to do that over and over and over. But I'm wired up to find friction. In many organizations or industries, I found friction along my journey of entrepreneurialism, and the old me would create companies driven around that friction identification. I continued that even in the art of collaboration, and I look for frictions that are keeping others from leveraging this extraordinarily impactful growth strategy. And the best thing, you don't have to go get a lot of money to do it or to leverage it. You simply can get the outcome really quick as long as you're open to splitting the outcome. But what are the impediments? What are the frictions? And what I've found, even in my own journey, by not taking it serious, and I don't mean getting lawyers involved and multiple meetings to talk about having another meeting and not really doing anything. I think we've all been in a couple of those. What I mean is formalizing this collaboration to the extent that it needs to, so that all parties involved know exactly where they stand and why they're here. The real reason that they're here is to create value. Again, just like me at 8, I began to see ways to take two things, combine them, and create new value that didn't exist before. And I continue to do that. So along the journey, I recognize this friction even in my own collaborations. Why did they not last for a long time? Why did they not create the outcome that we both, willing parties, thought that we could create? And I kept coming back to the need for some level of formalization, but only to the extent to create the outcome. So when I started the SeedSpark CoLAB, this was a key component that I wanted to build in to empower entrepreneurs not only to leverage the growth strategy of collaboration first, but actually receive the outcome. And I needed something to keep a little bit of oversight on all the collaborations that we're creating for entrepreneurs all over the world, and that's where the Declaration of Collaboration was born.